Hey, it's Dan McDonald here. Today we're going to talk about the originator of the celery juice cleanse. All hail the originator of the celery juice cleanse, Dr. Norman Walker, who over 50 years ago wrote about the special sodium salts in celery, organic sodium salts. If you have not read this piece of literature by Norman Walker, it's $8. It's actually in my Amazon store at my website. There's a link down below for that. And all of my favorite books and DTM approved literature is over there. This is one of the top classics, fresh vegetable and fruit juices with Norman Walker, talking about the individual constituents of the fresh fruits and vegetables. So look at all the results that people are getting from just drinking celery juice. Now imagine if you utilized all of the other fresh organic fruits and vegetables and herbs and their medicinal qualities, how dynamic your health would be, how much beauty you would radiate, and light and consciousness, all which come from the living waters that are extracted from fresh organic fruits and vegetables, and all of the medicinal qualities contained therein get to become part of your system, and you can stave off the diseases that are wiping out mankind if you care for your health. So get clean, get detoxified, stay hydrated, stay mineralized, stay alkalized, get outside. The main thing is keeping your blood vessels clear so that the pure, clean blood can get to all the areas in your body so that you don't have a lack of oxygen to your glands or your tissues, which ends up with all different types of health problems. Okay, so if you need more information on different juice recipes and their combinations, I have a book at my website. I have been juicing every day for 25 years. This is the Living Foods Recipe Book. It's available at my website. It'll pop up. It's the very first thing. It's part of the 30-day Living Foods Transformational Program. I wanted to make this video because I have too many people that have not taken this book, and then it's a digital file. Then you go down to the print shop and you get it spiral bound just like this. Then you have it on your countertop. There is over 100 recipes in this book, all DTM approved. They all taste good. These combinations are also designed to digest easily. I've had emails over the years. Hey Dan, I mixed this juice. What do you think? Brussels sprouts, asparagus, apple, grapes, leeks, garlic, and I'm just like, oh my God, that sounds terrible. So I have to guide many people on how to make simple juice combinations in a wide variety of plant foods so that you can utilize all the awesomeness that nature has to offer. So a few of the recipes in here that are my top classics: the lemon ginger blast, of course. I'm going to be making that this morning. The ultimate green juice, fruit punch, liver lover, basic blast, beautiful hair tonic, bodybuilder, bright eyes, sweet clean green, energy rush, everyone's favorite, quick fix, the purifier, fat flush, healthy joint juice, summer celebration, basic green juice, the cellulite melter, blood purifier, acid dissolver, good morning sunshine, healthy skin juice, diabetes blood sugar regulator, diabetes balancing juice, bladder bladder flush, radiant skin juice, stone dissolver, constipation recipe, the eliminator, bowel cleanser, heart opener, pain relief, fresh breath. I could go on and on. Maybe I'll read a couple more. The ultimate detox, instant energy, the dissolver, V9, nightcap, grasshopper, etc., etc. Balance, ALA, kidney flush, citrus cleanser, my everything, just delicious, juicing on a budget, green hydration, anti-inflammatory juice, the cure, juice for beauty, red juice, simple juice, carrot juice, over 100 awesome juice recipes. So that's at my website. Go check that out. And then for all of you who got that already, because I know there's many of you that already own that, Go down to the print shop, print that out. At least the Living Food Recipe Guide. If not the 30-day Living Foods Transformational 30-day program, which is a raw foods 30-day program to help you kickstart your life. Because I've seen this live food activate people, reawaken people. People, they could choose that one road, the wide road of like the allopathic, pharmaceutical, petroleum-based, patented medicines and surgeries suppressing symptoms, or you can take the narrow road which leads to life, which is the elimination of the underlying cause. That's what we really want to get inside our heads, is getting in there with juicing, live foods, fasting, detoxification, and lifestyle changes, emotional, mental work, spiritual meditation, nature, and get at the root cause of those issues that are manifesting themselves as diseases. Can you dig it? Let's do the work of getting at the root cause of our ailments, of our pain. This is hard work, but it is a labor of love. And you will continue to grow and evolve. Okay, do it for yourself because you know it's the right thing to do. All the links are down below. All hail the epic celery juice and all the other herbs that are available to us on this planet via the organic farmers. Let's support them, grow our own if we have to, eat healthy, nutritious foods for ourselves, our children, and the future generations on planet Earth. Thank you so much for being a child of the light, and thank you so much for taking care of yourself. Aloha, peace be with you. DTM, your servant, is out.